Yeah, I'm working on a 2004 Dodge Intrepid, about to do a water pump on it. As you can see, I moved the front fender right here, whatever this shit called. But it's sitting on the side right here. See, that's where I laid it at. That's what locked the hood down when you close it. So actually, it's a 2004 Dodge Intrepid. Today is April the 28th, 2020. And I hadn't put videos up for a while. I think I did a few, but now I'm doing the water pump. So right now I'm about to remove the whole radiator with the condenser. I already disconnected the AC line right down there on the AC pump. See that line? It's a plug. So all I gotta do is pull that line out, bag the screw up a little bit, remove the line from there, leave the screw in, and once I remove this whole unit, the cooling unit for the AC and the radiator, then I can get to the front of that and start unbolting the harmonic balancer, the brackets, the belts and pulleys and stuff off of there, just to let you see what's going on for 2020. You know, I haven't loaded any mini videos, no big videos yet of big stuff I'm doing, because we just getting over this winter stuff here. But I'm back in motion. All right, thank you.